Ear pain relief. 12 otitis media natural remedies. Experiencing that throbbing, intense ear pain from otitis media that can disrupt your day and make it difficult to concentrate? Does it often feel like your ear is frustratingly blocked, muffled, and causing immense discomfort that radiates beyond just the ear itself? Before we explore 12 gentle and effective natural remedies for ear pain caused by otitis media, please remember this video provides general information and should not replace the crucial advice of a medical professional who can accurately diagnose your condition and recommend the most appropriate treatment. If your ear pain is severe, accompanied by a high fever, noticeable hearing loss, any fluid or pus discharge from the ear canal, or if symptoms persist for more than a few days, it's crucial to consult a doctor promptly for proper diagnosis and a personalized otitis media treatment plan to prevent potential complications. Related resources for this topic are in the description below. Welcome to our daily health. Let's briefly understand otitis media. It's a frequent condition across various age groups, often linked to the structure of the Eustachian tubes, involving inflammation and fluid buildup in the middle ear. This can result in significant ear pain, pressure, and temporary hearing difficulties. While medical treatment, such as monitoring, antibiotics, or surgical intervention for repeated occurrences, is often required for effectively managing otitis media and preventing potential long-term problems, certain natural home remedies for ear pain may help ease the uncomfortable symptoms, offer some comfort, and potentially support the body's natural recovery alongside guidance from a healthcare professional. These remedies mainly aim to lessen inflammation, encourage fluid drainage, and reduce the severity of the ear pain. Here are 12 otitis media natural remedies for ear pain relief. Number 1. Warm compress for soothing ear pain. Applying a gentle warm compress to the exterior of the affected ear is a simple yet often remarkably effective natural remedy for ear pain caused by otitis media. The mild and consistent warmth can help to increase local blood circulation to the inflamed area, which in turn may aid in reducing swelling and inflammation, thereby providing soothing ear pain relief. Use a clean, soft washcloth that has been dampened with warm, not hot water, or a dedicated warm compress designed for this purpose, and gently apply it to the outer ear for approximately 10 to 15 minutes several times throughout the day for natural otitis media relief and comfort. Number 2. Cold compress for reducing inflammation. While the application of warmth can be soothing for some individuals experiencing ear pain, a cold compress can offer relief through a different mechanism by helping to constrict blood vessels, which can reduce swelling, numb the nerve endings, and offer another effective form of ear pain relief associated with otitis media. Apply a cold pack or a bag of frozen vegetables wrapped in a thin cloth or towel to the outer ear for 10 to 15 minutes at a time, being careful not to apply ice directly to the skin to prevent potential irritation. You can experiment with alternating between warm and cold compresses to determine which provides the most significant comfort and ear pain reduction for your specific symptoms. This is a gentle natural remedy for ear infections that can complement other soothing measures. Number 3. Olive oil for potential ear congestion relief. Some traditional natural remedies for ear infections, particularly for the sensation of fullness or blockage, include carefully placing a few drops of slightly warmed, high-quality olive oil into the affected ear canal. The gentle warmth can be inherently soothing to the irritated tissues, and some anecdotal evidence suggests it may help to soften accumulated earwax and potentially ease the pressure that can contribute to ear pain associated with otitis media, thus providing some mild ear pain relief. It is absolutely crucial to ensure that the olive oil is only lukewarm to the touch and never hot, as hot oil can cause burns and further damage to the delicate ear canal. If this video provided value for you, please show your support with a like and subscribe for more natural health content. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Don't forget to share this video with anyone who might find it beneficial. Number 4. Garlic oil for natural antibacterial properties. Garlic is well known for its natural antibacterial and antiviral properties, and garlic oil is a natural remedy for ear infections like otitis media that some people explore due to these potential benefits. You can find commercially prepared garlic oil eardrops that are specifically formulated for ear use, or some individuals choose to make their own by carefully infusing fresh garlic cloves in a carrier oil like olive oil. It is essential to ensure proper preparation and safety to avoid contamination or irritation. Some proponents believe that the natural compounds in garlic oil may help to fight the underlying infection, contributing to otitis media, and thereby reduce the associated ear pain. However, it is always wise to use garlic oil with caution and to consult a healthcare professional before trying it. Number 5. Onion for potential anti-inflammatory effects. Similar to garlic, onion is a common household ingredient that is believed to possess both anti-inflammatory and mild antiseptic properties, which some people explore as a natural remedy for otitis media. Certain natural remedies for ear pain involve gently warming a small piece of fresh onion, making sure it's not hot, and placing it near the opening of the ear canal. Never insert it directly, or with extreme caution and proper dilution if necessary. Applying a few drops of strained onion juice to the outer ear. The vapors released from the warmed onion are thought by some to help alleviate ear pain and congestion associated with ear infections. However, scientific evidence supporting these claims is limited and caution is advised. Number 6. Mullein oil for soothing ear inflammation. Mullein oil is a traditional herbal remedy that has been historically used for ear pain relief, often associated with conditions like otitis media. It is believed to contain natural compounds that possess anti-inflammatory and analgesic, pain-relieving properties, which can potentially help to soothe the irritated tissues within the ear canal and reduce the overall discomfort. You can typically find commercially prepared mullein oil eardrops at health food stores or online retailers. It is important to follow the product instructions carefully for safe and effective use as a natural remedy for ear infections, and consulting with a healthcare professional before use is always recommended, especially for children. Number 7. Tea tree oil for antiseptic properties, external use only. Tea tree oil is a potent essential oil that exhibits strong antiseptic, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties, but it is absolutely crucial to emphasize that it should never be placed directly into the ear canal due to its potential for irritation and toxicity. When highly diluted with a safe carrier oil, such as coconut oil, olive oil, or almond oil, the vapors of tea tree oil, inhaled gently near the outer ear, might offer some indirect relief from congestion, often associated with otitis media, due to its decongestant properties. However, extreme caution must be exercised when using tea tree oil around the ears, and it is essential to consult a qualified healthcare professional or aromatherapist for proper dilution and safe application guidelines before attempting to use it for ear pain relief. Number 8. Nasal saline rinse for Eustachian tube drainage. Otitis media frequently involves dysfunction of the Eustachian tube, the small passage that connects the middle ear to the back of the throat, and impaired drainage through this tube can contribute to fluid buildup and pressure, leading to ear pain. Using a nasal saline rinse can help to effectively clear the nasal passages of mucus and irritants, which in turn can promote better drainage and function of the Eustachian tube, potentially relieving pressure and the associated ear pain. Employ a neti pot bulb syringe or commercially prepared saline nasal spray, as directed, to gently irrigate the nasal passages as a natural remedy for ear infections and to support overall ear health. Number 9. Elevating the head for pressure relief. A simple yet often overlooked home remedy for ear pain associated with otitis media is to ensure that the head is kept elevated, particularly while resting or sleeping. Using extra pillows to prop yourself up can help to promote the natural drainage of fluid from the middle ear down the Eustachian tube due to gravity, potentially reducing the pressure and the intensity of the ear pain. This passive measure can be a comfortable and easily implemented part of natural otitis media relief and can aid the body's natural drainage processes. Number 10. Avoiding dairy and allergens, if suspected. Some anecdotal evidence and traditional beliefs suggest that dairy products may increase the production of mucus in the body, which could potentially worsen the congestion and symptoms of otitis media in individuals who are sensitive to dairy. If you have a suspicion or a known history of food allergies or sensitivities, particularly to dairy or other common allergens, consider temporarily eliminating these potential triggers from your diet as a natural remedy for recurring ear problems, and to see if it leads to any improvement in your otitis media symptoms. However, it's important to maintain a balanced diet and consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian before making significant dietary changes. Number 11. Gentle neck exercises for drainage. Performing gentle neck stretches and exercises may sometimes help to improve the function of the Eustachian tube and promote better drainage of fluid from the middle ear, potentially easing the ear pain associated with otitis media. Simple and slow head tilts towards the shoulders, gentle head rotations from side to side, and chin tucks might be beneficial as a complementary natural remedy for ear infections. It is crucial to perform these movements slowly and gently, avoiding any sudden or jerky motions or any exercises that cause any increase in pain or discomfort. Number 12. Rest and hydration for immune support. While not direct ear pain remedies that target the ear itself, ensuring that you get adequate rest and stay consistently well hydrated are fundamental for supporting the body's natural immune system, which plays a crucial role in fighting the underlying infection causing otitis media. A well-rested and properly hydrated body is better equipped to combat the infection and promote faster healing, which in turn can help to reduce the duration and severity of ear pain and other associated symptoms. These basic self-care measures are essential aspects of natural otitis media care and overall recovery.